Hello, welcome to the channel. So it was my friend's son's fifth birthday over the weekend, and you know how kids' parties are, just cakes, balloon, and sometimes jollof rice. But for me, I had just one job, which was to bring the fire to the party. So I decided to make this spicy, smoky Asun, something I feel the adults at the party could really enjoy. So let me show you how I made it the Niger style. So for this recipe, I used the pre-cut goat meat cubes which I bought from Costco. I washed it properly with lime and warm water. You already know why. Then I seasoned with salt, seasoning cube, and some busy barbecue mix. And as an alternative, you could just use the paprika, thyme, some garlic, black pepper, and some ginger. You don't need to overthink it, just simple base seasoning to let the pepper shine later. Pour all the seasoning on the meat and give it a good mix, and then put it in the fridge to marinate for like 2 hours. It's also okay for you to grill as is if you don't have enough time to wait. After like 2 hours, I transferred the meat to an oven tray and popped it into the oven, 300 degrees. That's how we're grilling today, guys. On high heat, no stress at all. I roasted the meat until it's like medium well and crispy at the edges, and trust me guys, it smelled like magic, and I won't lie, I almost finished the grilled meat. Anyways, let's get back into the cooking. And in the meantime, you want to prepare your pepper, and basically you want to roughly blend your pepper to achieve this consistency that you can see. If you've watched this far, please consider subscribing to support this channel. Transfer your grilled meat into a pot, add your blended pepper, some onions, some oil, some seasoning, and some water, and give it a good mix. Allow it to cook till the meat is tender, and feel free to add some water if you feel the meat is still tough. Give it a taste and adjust the seasoning as needed. And the last thing you want to do is to garnish your asun with your chopped bell peppers. It gives it an inviting look, and trust me, everyone will want to taste out of the asun just because of how colorful it is. And just like that, spicy party ready asun. At the party, the kids were busy with the cake, but the adults, they were in one corner devouring this thing like it was gold. So if you've got a celebration coming up, trust me, just bring the fire. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and tell me how you like your asun in the comment section. Is it the smoky one or the extra peppery one? Thanks for watching.